People ask me all the time, can you do this with ape hangers? Well, I don't like ape hangers, but as you can see, it can be done even with tons of fun on the back of the bike. So what are you, about 220?
250.
No, you're not 250, are you?
I lied. 255. Leave me alone.
255 on the back of the bike with ape hangers works exactly the same. Head and eyes, friction zone, a little bit of rear brake. Remember, hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, click that little bell, and every time I come out with a video, you're going to see it right away.